Okay, the person that's on Zoom that has iPhone, would you please state your full name?
Francisco Javier Lozano.
Okay, you could put your mic back on mute. Thank you. Jefferson County Court, Law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session with 3 dockets. The trial docket, pretrial conference docket, and the announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. Now, if you're not represented by an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the court by yourself. First case is on our pretrial conference docket and is cause number 24 CCCR 2892. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Sean Robert Cassell. Mr. Cassell, would you please come forward with your attorney, Mr. Reynolds? Mr. Cassell, your full name is Sean Robert Cassell?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Cassell?
Good, how are you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Cassell, you are represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
You're welcome. The state is represented in this case by Attorney Haley Simmons. Attorney Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Reynolds, what is your announcement of Mr. Cassell's case?
I understood Mr. Cassell was supposed to take the BIP class and he's furnished me a certificate that he's completed it.
Okay.
And I don't know what the,
You ready for me to announce? I don't know if you're done.
yes,
Your Honor, this was previously Andrew Hubel's case, so it came to our attention today that he was in the BIP program. We do have
Okay.
a certificate that he did complete it, so I'll submit the dismissal right now, Your Honor.
Okay. Actually, I have a note on my docket said he was in the big program.
He was, Your Honor. His completion date came to the October 1st.
Okay. Yeah.
And the dismissal has been sent, Judge.
Okay. Okay. I just have to work for this thing. Sure. Yeah. Wait, 92. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Cassell, I'll be signing the motion to dismiss. You'll be able to get a copy of the motion in order from our court coordinator in a few minutes.
yes.
Okay?
Thank
And
you,
you,
sir.
once you get your dismissal, you're free to go.
Thank
And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Reynolds, is this your only case?
It is, Judge.
Okay, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And it's into another dismissal, Your Honor.
Okay,
Mr. Hitchcock.
okay. Say, hand the funds.
You said something about it.
No, I hadn't received that. I think this.
Waiting on Judge to sign it. Judge Curtin on page 6 of the announcement showed up.
Okay, correct. Okay.
Mayor Fisher?
Hold on a minute. Okay, here we go. Okay, I just sent it. Joseph Andrew. Next case is cause number 24 CCCR 2932, case of style of state of Texas versus Joseph Aurelius Andropont.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Place your hand right here on the table. Thank you.
Mr. Andropont, your full name is Joseph Aurelius Andropont? Aurelius? How are you doing, Mr. Andropont?
Good yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Mr. Andropont. You're represented by your attorney Mike Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, again, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now, Ms. Simmons, I have before me a motion to dismiss Mr. Andropont's case. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Andropont, I'm signing the dismissal. You'll be able to get a copy of this dismissal and this order from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Lenz, I think this is your only case.
Yes, sir.
You'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. Okay, I just sent it. Next case is cause number 23 CCCR 2673. Case of style of state of Texas versus Larry Jean Dupuy. Mr. Dupuy, your full name is Larry Jean Dupuy.
Yes.
How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Dupuy, you represented by your attorney Ryan Gertz. Mr. Gertz, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. State is represented by attorney Haley Simmons, Mr. Simmons, excuse me, Haley. Shane Hilton. By Shane Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor.
Oh, man. Mr. Gertz, what's your announcement in Mr. Dupuy's case?
Judge, it's still a trial. So.
Okay, State, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'll be back at 1:30 this afternoon. Pick a jury. Okay. Okay, we'll see you at 1:30.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, you're free to go. Okay, now next case is Sagar Patel.
Yes, Judge. He's present via Zoom.
Oh,
We had some confusion. I'll explain it when you're ready. So,
okay. You may.
so his felony got reset. It's an unrelated felony, but it got reset on Friday afternoon. And my office texted him and said, your court date got reset on Monday. And it was not clear that it was just the felony that got reset and not the misdemeanor. So, but we can be ready for trial if we're number one. So,
Well, you might, I'm looking at the date on here. So State, are you ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Okay, well, we'll see y'all at 1:30.
okay.
I
Thank you.
think, you only had these two cases?
Those are my only two with you, Judge.
Okay, okay, so we'll see you at 1:30.
Okay. Thanks, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. And Mr. Patel, you need to be here in person at 1:30. Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Gertz, you probably need to call him because I think he's trying to
I'll call him.
Okay.
I'll call him in a few minutes.
Okay,
So, yeah.
all right. Next case is cause number M 333 804. Case is style of state of Texas versus Rachel G. Woodson. Ms. Provo?
Your Honor, it's been brought to my attention. There was a JP reduction that's been paid.
Okay,
So I'll need to handle that.
okay. So it'll be a dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, once I sign the dismissal, you'll be able to get a copy of the dismissal and order from our court coordinator. Okay, and this is your only case? You have another? You have another one? Okay, okay.
He's confirming which one for the office.
Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 1808. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jason Monroe Murchison. And Mr. Murchison, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Murchison? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Murchison, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marvel Provo. And Ms. Provo, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Mr. Murchison's case?
Yes.
So you ready?
No, I'm not ready at this time.
Okay, because the case is set for trial this afternoon, these cases.
If I may, the state was gonna ask for oral motion for continuance on this. By the time I got on a trial last week, I'd attempted to make contact with all the officers. The officer that's needed for this trial was unavailable in terms of, I haven't even received a response for him. So I think we have an agreed continuance at this point. I do believe it would be the state's first as well as defense's.
And is that correct, Ms. Provo?
Yes.
So state. Okay, this case will be reset for trial. Give us a reset date. Stated the motion for continuance is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What date is that?
December 1st.
December 1st. Okay, this case will be set for trial December 1st, 2025. Mr. Murchison, you can get a copy of your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And did we ever get there? Okay. Wait,
That's all I have. Your Honor.
okay,
Not being excused.
yeah, you're gonna get a copy of the reset?
Yes.
I mean, not reset, but the dismissal?
Yes.
I'm still confirming a few things, Your Honor, but I'll get it to her.
Okay.
What docket was she on? What's that?
Pre-trial. Next case is 25 CCCR 0080. Case of style of state of Texas versus Pablo Zampop. Mr. Zampop. How are you doing? You doing good? That's good. Now, Mr. Zampop, you're representing your case by your attorney Charles Rojas. Mr. Rojas, how are you doing? Hey, Mr. Rojas, what's your announcement in Mr. Zampop's case?
Judge, I think we finally come to an agreement on this case with Ms. Simmons. It's gonna be for a fine. I would ask the court for 2 weeks so that he can come up with some money to pay that.
That's correct.
Okay, so she's, okay, give us a 2-week reset. This is on the trial docket, page 5, at the bottom. Reset it for a plea.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Zampop.
And I sent Woodson's dismissal for the JP reduction, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh, they have to send it to me.
A pretrial conference docket on.
No, it's a plea. Well, just put it on a regular announcement. It's a plea docket. You can put it on pre-trials. It's 2-week reset, as long as we have it on the
November 3rd.
November 3rd?
Yeah.
Okay. This case will be reset to November 3rd of 2025 at 9 AM. Needs to pay a fine. Mr. Zampop, you will get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
And Mr. Rojas, is this your last case?
It is.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Let's see. Jorge Bo Gonzalez.
Morning, Judge.
How you doing? Mr. Gonzalez, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Gonzalez, you're represented by your attorney Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
Good, Judge.
Okay, and Ms. Simmons, I'll tell her from here. Mr. Galmore, what's your announcement?
We're ready.
State,
Ready.
okay? All right, so we see y'all at 1:30 this afternoon. We'll pick a juror.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, yeah, he can go. You have another case too,
It's up on
Mr.
trial.
Galmore, yeah, he's a couple of them. William Kenneth Paltz. Mr. Paltz. How you doing, Mr. Paltz? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Paltz, represented by Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, what's your announcement in Mr. Paltz's case?
Ready, Judge.
In state?
They would ask for a motion for continuance, Your Honor. I believe it's the state's first. The officer that's necessary witness is unavailable.
Do you have any objections?
Not if it's the first continuous, no, Judge.
Okay. State motion. Okay, give us a reset date on Mr. Paltz. Okay, this case will be reset to December 1st, 2025 at 9 AM for trial. Mr. Paltz, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Thank you. Stephen Anthony Sampson Jr. Mr. Sampson, how are you doing?
Very well.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Sampson, you're represented by your attorney Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, what is your announcement in Mr. Sampson's case?
Ready on that one, Judge.
State,
Ready.
okay. Mr. Sampson, we'll see you back at 1:30. You're free to go. Let's see, we have any more? Okay, now these cases on announcement.
I think we have some.
I think these are all the Galmores on the trial docket.
Just not- not-
Yeah, now on the pretrial docket, he has Justin Andrew Taylor, who is on Zoom.
Yes, sir. How you
Okay,
doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Taylor, you're represented by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, what's your announcement in Mr. Taylor's case?
On Judge, on that one, we've applied for the BIT program, so we're just waiting on a response on that.
Okay. Give us a reset date, December 1st. Okay, this case will be reset to December 1st, 2025.
If you
What?
have a week after that,
Okay.
I'm out that week.
Okay.
I'm out that day.
It's gonna be the eighth.
The 8th week.
Okay, okay, this case will be reset to December 8th, 2025 at 9 AM. Mr. Taylor, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Again, this case is reset December 8th at 9 AM.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Same to you.
Nurse Klein is getting it.
Oh,
I don't think we have,
He probably thinks he has to.
yeah.
Juan Carlos Tamayo Aragon. Yes, the first case on page 1. Mr. Tamayo Aragon, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Galmore, what's your announcement?
Judge, we like places on the trial docket.
Trial docket reset for trial. Give us a trial date.
December 8th.
Okay, this case will be reset to December 8th, 2025 at 9 AM. Mr. Tamayo Aragon, you'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Aaron Scott White, have 2 cases, cause numbers 24 CCCR 0958 and cause number 24 CCCR 0959. Mr. White, your full name is Aaron Scott White?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. White?
Pretty good.
That's good. Now, Mr. White, you're represented by Mr. Galmore. Mr. Galmore, what is your announcement?
Judge, we can have another announcement date on this one. We're still trying to work this one out.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to December 8th. Case will stay on the court's announcement docket. Mr. White, you'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You too.
You're welcome. And Mr. Galmore, I think that was the last one. So we'll see you at 1:30.
Should be on my here 1:30.
Okay. Robert Wayne Broussard. How you doing, Mr. Broussard?
Pretty good, Your Honor. So,
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Broussard, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Bruce Smith. And Mr. Smith, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Smith, what is your announcement in Mr. Broussard's case?
Yeah, to my knowledge, this is the first setting and we are requesting additional time.
Okay, we'll keep it on the announcement docket. Give us a reset date.
December.
Okay, this case will be reset to December 1st, 2025. Mr. Broussard, you'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Stay in contact with your attorney and bondsman. Donald Eglin. Eglin. Mr. Eglin, your full name is Donald R. Eglin.
Sir.
How you doing, Mr. Eglin? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Eglin, you're represented by Mr. Smith. State is represented in this case by Mr. Samuel Masradian. Mr. Masradian, how are you doing?
doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. And Mr. Smith, what's your announcement? And Mr.
Your Honor, we're still waiting on our request for discovery of the blood record.
Okay. Okay. Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset into December 1st, 2025.
December what?
December 1st, same day as the other
Oh,
case.
okay.
And Mr. Eaglin, you'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Just stand behind that gentleman. Jamarian Randall Jones. Mr. Jones, your full name is Jamarian Randall Jones. How are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Jones, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Smith. And Mr. Smith, what's your announcement in Mr. Jones' case?
Your Honor, I'd like to request that this reset to December the first, so I confirm an offer with the DA.
Okay. Okay, his case will be reset December 1st. So your attorney can get an offer from the district attorney. And Mr. Jones, you'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your boss. You can get in line behind that gentleman. Juan Cifuentes. And Mr., your last name is Cifuentes?
Cifuentes.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Cifuentes?
How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. See, we have some bond conditions in this case. Mr. Cifuentes, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Bruce Smith. And Mr. Smith, what is your announcement in
Yeah,
Mr. Cifuentes' case?
we're asking that this be set on the docket for December the first, so I confirm up an offer with the DA.
Okay. Offer. Okay. Could you reach me that? I need to give him some bond conditions, standard bond conditions. So, family violence case. Let's see. Let's see. Make a copy of these. The court coordinator is making a copy of bond conditions that I'm going to go over with you in a few minutes. That day is reset to December 1st, 2025. Mr. Shooter. Okay, Mr. Smith, you can hand these bond conditions to your client. Mr. Cifuentes, I'm going to go over these bond conditions with you. The document is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court Law Number 2, and it states as follows: following return of a criminal information in County Court Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number one, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes. Yeah.
Condition number two, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. You understand that condition? And condition number three, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that
Can
condition?
I be heard on that? Your Honor?
Yes.
Your Honor, my client is in the midst of a family law custody matter,
Okay.
and they have an order intact right now, a temporary order that requires them to meet or exchange of the children at the parking lot of Target there in Port Arthur.
Okay.
Obviously, that would violate condition 3, so we're asking the court to make an exception, something along the lines with the exception of exchanging children under a court order.
Okay. State, you have any objection?
We're gonna post that, Your Honor.
Okay, let me see that order. Let me see. Oh. X J J.
May I add one thing? Your Honor?
Yeah, okay, hold on a minute. Extending custody, and that's
Target.
yeah, but it's per
Temporary order.
okay. You don't have a case number, do you?
No, I do not.
I'm sorry. Okay. Water. Okay. What court is it in? Is it 317, 279?
Yeah, it's 317.
Yeah, I'm just trying to be
It's
a little.
317.
Okay, 317. Okay. Temporary.
Additionally, he has the parties communicating through the app close.
317th district. Okay, now shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim. Normally, what we put here is we usually say shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim in a threatening or harassing manner.
That'd be perfect.
Okay. State.
It's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, I need to write the same language I'm learning. Rena, could you make a copy of this first page for me? She could give that back to me. Okay, so number three, condition number three states the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense in a threatening or harassing manner. And the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim, with the exception of exchanging custody per the temporary order from the 317th District Court. Okay, you understand that? Okay. Now, condition number, I'll give this back to you. Number four doesn't apply because that only applies in the DWI case.
That's correct.
However, condition number five does apply, and it states that the defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless the defendant is a peace officer as defined by section 1.07 of Penal Code Act, and engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition? Number five.
You know,
What do I do with?
that's fine.
Okay. Now, Mr. Cifuentes, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked, and if your bond is revoked, a warrant can be issued for your arrest. All right? All right, your case is going to be reset to December 1st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Give your attorney opportunity to get an offer from the state. Once you get your reset from our coordinator, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Joseph Morris Zachary Jr. Mr. Zachary, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Zachary, you're represented by Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, what's your announcement in Mr. Zachary's case?
Yeah, that, we are waiting on the,
Still waiting on the blood discovery? Okay. Yeah,
Here. The last sheet.
yeah, I don't have no, I mean, we signed the order. So we're just waiting on them to give the information to your attorney. And your attorney is not ready to go to trial without that information. That's why it's important. Okay, so your case is going to be reset December 1st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Once you get your reset from our coordinator, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, and Mr. Smith, I think this is his last case.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Happy
you-
to see you.
Yes, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yeah, Clerk Charlie.
Yes.
Mr. Doan.
Yeah, some. Get down. Mr. Dawn, your full name is Kit Dawn. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Dawn, you're represented by your attorney, attorney Baltimore Zuniga?
Yes.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Zuniga?
I'm doing well, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Zuniga, what is your announcement in Mr. Dawn's case?
Well, I've conferred with the state. I believe the state is new to this case and they're asking for an opportunity to review it.
Okay,
So we can see, hopefully by next setting where we're headed with regard to trial.
Okay.
We're working it out.
okay. This was one of Andrew's cases, huh?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset. No, it's on the pretrial conference docket. It's the last case. It's on page 3. December 1st, is that a good time for you? Hold on, let us check us.
Check here real quick, Judge. And Your Honor, while I'm looking this up, another one of the bond conditions is that Mr. Doan submits a GPS monitoring. I understand that's the court's standard condition when it comes to cases,
Right.
alleged violence or harassment, anything like that.
Yeah.
It's been well over a year. He has no contact with the complainant in this matter. They don't go to the same school. And I was just going to ask if the court would consider removing the GPS condition in this matter.
Well, we can have a hearing on that. We could set it for a hearing if you file a motion.
Yes, you want. Okay. Your Honor, I have one conflicting case on that.
Okay.
We can make it,
Is that good?
we can make it work. We'll make it work.
Want to do the 8th? December 8th?
December the 8th is much better.
Okay, so this case will be reset to December 8th, 2025. Mr. Dawn, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Zing, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 0988. Case is style the state of Texas versus Dantavian Collier. That's Mr. Collier.
Hey, good
Okay.
morning, Mr. Holmes.
Good morning, Mr. Collier. How are you doing?
None.
That's good, Mr. Collier. You're represented in your case by your attorney, James Paget, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Collier's case?
Your Honor, we're in the process of completing discovery and getting an offer from the state. I'm certain we could have it done within 30 days.
Okay, give us a reset date. That door is locked.
What docket is it on there?
It's on the announcement docket, page 2 at the bottom. Okay, this case will be reset to December 8th at 9 a.m. Mr. Collier, you can get your reset from, we will send your attorney and your bondsman the reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Your case is reset to December 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right, you too.
And Mr. Paget, your next case is cause number 25 CCCR 1786. Case is style the state of Texas versus Francisco J. Lozano Apaz. Mr. Lozano Apaz is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Lozano Apaz, how are you doing?
Good, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Lozano Apaz's case?
So the same announcement, Your Honor. We're awaiting the video evidence to review. After that time, I'll get an offer from the state and we'll be able to move forward.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay. Mr. Lozano Apaz, this case will be reset to December 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Same to you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 1050. Case is style the state of Texas versus David Lynn Brandt. Mr. Brandt is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Brandt, how are you doing?
Good, you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Brandt, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I had a note here saying he was to appear in person on the 20th.
Your Honor, we have a restitution issue that has not been settled as of
Okay.
now, and the case cannot go forward until the restitution issue is settled. I'm not sure whose case that was.
Oh, this is Miss Sally Simmons' case. That's what's on the docket.
That's correct, John.
Okay. So, was she supposed to check into the restitution?
Yes, Your Honor, and she was gonna notify us.
Oh,
That's the only holdup on the case.
okay, yeah, hold on a minute.
Sure.
Is, okay, now, Ms. Simmons,
Yes.
we have Mr. David Lynn Brandt, he's on Zoom, represented by Attorney James Paget. And Mr. Paget informed the court that there's a restitution issue that that you're supposed to be checking into.
I'm looking at
Okay.
it, Your Honor. Yeah, we did try to get in contact with the complaining witness on this case. We haven't received any information, so I don't have any confirmation on restitution. So at this time, if you would reach out to me so we could negotiate an offer, that would be the next step.
Mr. Paget, did you hear that?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. And the issue was if we had the restitution determined, he was going to appear in person and the case will be disposed of. So I'll contact her today. Have my word on that. We're ready to move forward.
Just send me an email, James.
Absolutely. That will be done today as soon as I get off the telephone.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case is reset to December 8th at 9 a.m. Mr. Brandt, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. And you have a
Thank
blessed
you.
day. You're welcome.
You too.
And Mr. Paget, I think this is your last case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Orange County, let me see that order.
What case?
Let me see. Okay. Now, Mr. Kimmler has what is called a trial protection order from the 260th District Court in Orange County for today at 10 a.m. And he was ordered to appear in that court at 10 a.m. And he was also ordered not to participate or be required to participate in any other appointments, depositions, hearings, conferences, motions, trial matters, or any other conflicting arrangements and any other causes of action during the jury trial on October 20th, 2025, until completion of the above reference case. So what that means is that this court has Mr. Kimmler tied up and occupied until that case in Orange County is completed. So he's protected by this trial protection order. Okay, so we will not be able to go forward on Mr. Kimmler's cases today. Okay, so your cases will be reset. And our court coordinator will give you your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney. Come forward. Okay, now, Mr. Currington, your full name is Terrence Jermaine Currington Jr.? Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Currington? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Currington, this is motion to revoke probation and is set with your felony case. You had felony court this morning, and your felony case was reset. Do you have a copy? Did they give you a court date?
December 15th, Judge, I looked at it.
Is this reset to December 15th? Okay, so this case, or these cases rather, will be reset to December 15th, 2025. On that day, you need to make sure that you come to this court, check in, and then go to the felony court, and when you finish there, you come back here. Okay? So just have a seat in that first chair, wait for your name to be called. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. His name is Terrence. He's on page 6 and 7 of the announcement docket. Oh. I didn't see it. Will there be a recess?
That's going to Jefferson County.
Okay, this is cause number 23 CCCR 1578. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Craig Stephen Simmons. Is that correct? Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, and yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Simmons, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Ralph Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Oh, well, Your Honor, thank you.
And Mr.
Simmons.
Oh, no, I was gonna say, Mr. Kimler.
Yes,
Are you ready?
ready?
State, are you ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, state, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now, Mr. Simmons, would you please raise your right hand? The other hand, sir.
Other way.
Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Now, state, you like to read the information?
In the name and by authority of the state of Texas comes now the undersigned Assistant Criminal District Attorney of Jefferson County, Texas, on behalf of the state of Texas and presents in and to the County Court at Law of Jefferson County, Texas, that in Jefferson County, Texas, Craig Stephen Simmons, hereafter styled the defendant heretofore on or about May 30th, 2023, did then and there intentionally, knowingly, or recklessly cause bodily injury to Jason Wintello by punching and kicking Jason Wintello out the head and body against the peace and dignity of the state.
And Mr. Simmons, how do you plead?
Not guilty.
Okay, state, would you like to make an opening statement?
State's gonna waive opening.
Okay, and defense?
Wait,
Okay, and Ms. Simmons, you'd like to call your first witness?
State calls Jason Wayne Wintello.
Jason Wayne Wintello? Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jason Wayne Wintello at the courthouse door?
Wintello.
Wintello. Jason Wayne Wintello.
Wintello. The B.
Wintello, okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
neither one of them are gonna be.
Is blue and
Jason Wayne Wintello.
okay.
No response, if I got it correct.
Okay, state, would you like to call another witness?
State has no further witnesses, but would like to make a brief statement.
You may make your statement.
At this time, Your Honor, the state has made numerous attempts to contact Jason Wayne Wintello. All have been unsuccessful. This case has remained on the trial docket for quite some time. Since no contact has been successful, the state is moving forward with this bench call, Your Honor.
And so the state rests
Yes, Your Honor.
and defense?
Move for instructive verdict and not guilty.
That motion will be granted. Mr. Simmons, you're acquitted of these charges. You can get a copy of the judgment in a few minutes. Just have a seat and wait for your name to be called and you'll be free to go.
Jefferson County, but it is you in that.
You got it, like the mile markers or GPS or something? Cause it's.
You can still testify to it, you still have
It
to.
was on the deed.
I know.
How many hours, Jefferson?
Linda, this is more here, but the past time could be all his freedom experience and how long he's been on the hearing.
Yeah.
I've actually asked him about it. He told me. I didn't. Vote when you get one after the. He could come.
Okay.
But there's a school.
Brandon
Strip of chamber.
Gardner. This is cause number 23 CCCR 2534, case is styled the state of Texas versus Brandon Gardner. Mr. Gardner, is that your full name?
Listen,
How are you doing, Mr. Gardner? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Gardner, you're represented by your attorney, Ralph Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement in Mr. Gardner's case?
Right.
State?
Your Honor, say we ask for a motion for continuance and an officer who is a necessary witness is unavailable. I believe this is the state's first motion for continuance.
And defense?
I we're on closure.
Okay. Okay, so this case will be reset now, Mr. State, motion for continuance. We may have to give him some time. I think he was saying that because of his employment, he can't have like, I think 8 in a year or something like that. So let's reset him to January. Okay, we're gonna put this in the month of January, okay?
Yes.
Okay, give us a that reset date.
I have, Adrian.
January 5th of the 12th, Mr. Kimler.
Yes.
Which one?
Oh, 12.
12, okay. It'll be January the 12th, 2026. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yeah.
Next case is Perry Lee Harrison. This is cause number 23 CCCR 1180. Case is style of state of Texas versus Perry Lee Harrison. Mr. Harrison, is that your full name? Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Harrison? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Harrison, you're represented by Mr. Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement in Mr. Harrison's case?
Ready.
State?
Ready.
Okay, Mr. Harrison, we'll see you back here at 1:30 this afternoon.
Be back.
Okay. Destiny Kinnett. Your full name is Destiny Kinnett?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Bryce Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
Ready.
Ready?
Okay,
Oh, okay, how's it?
your case is gonna be reset till 1:30 this afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we see you at 1:30. Jeffrey Lee Matthews. This is cause number 24 CCCR 1035. Case of style of state of Texas versus Jeffrey Lee Matthews. Mr. Matthews, how are you doing?
Sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr., I see this case was transferred from County Court at law number 3. And Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement in Mr. Matthews' case? Ready? State?
The state would ask for a motion for continuance. Again, an officer who is necessary witness is unavailable in training. I believe this is also the state's first motion.
Mr. Kimler, you have any objection?
Not opposed.
Okay. Okay, give us a reset for trial. This motion will be granted. What is that?
Harry Harrison.
This is Matthews.
Okay, we can do, December 1st.
Okay, this case is reset December 1st, 2025 at 9 a.m. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. All right. William Ray Portier. And Mr. Portier, how are you doing?
They're good, Your Honor.
That's good. You're represented by your attorney, Mr. Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement?
Ready.
State?
Ready?
Okay, we'll see you back at 1:30. All right.
You gotta cooperate. Sorry.
Jamylan Brooke Quibido, is that right? That person didn't show.
No, you got late.
Can we let the jury decide that?
Somebody named she's on page 4. Jamylan Brooke Quibido.
This started out as a felony and Tom, yeah.
It was a burglary provocation.
Okay, Jamylan Quibido's name was Jamylan Quibido's name was called at 9 a.m. this morning. She announced she was here. The time now is 10:54 a.m. on today's date. This of October 20th of 2025. The bailiff just called Ms. Quibido's name again. Ms. Quibido did not answer.
You just have a seat.
I think it's 10:56.
10:54.
What? Right now, we've got 48. Matthew.
Okay, I'll come back to that case. Don Randall, cause number 25 CCCR 0354. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0354. Case is style of state of Texas versus Don Randall. And Ms. Randall, is that your full name? How are you doing, Ms. Randall? That's good. Now, Ms. Randall, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement in Ms. Randall's case?
Ready?
State?
Ready.
Okay.
Your Honor, Ms. Randall wanted me to explore again with the court the possibility of having a GPS device removed as a condition of her probation interfering with her employment. Is that correct?
Yeah, we would have to have a hearing on that.
I filed a motion previously, I think it was denied.
Oh, okay.
But we would re-urge it at this time.
Yeah, I mean, at this time, we'll just have to set it for hearing. Okay. All right. So Ms. Randall, this case is set for 1:30 this afternoon. You need to be back at 1:30.
We could be back at 1:30.
It's set for trial. Okay. Okay.
So, wait, question. So with the monitor, you know, 75 seconds, the monitor removed.
You just said,
He wants the monitor.
Like this, because it might.
yeah, but we need to have, I understand that.
So,
Okay. Okay. But so, we'll have a hearing on that. I mean, the day it wasn't set for a hearing. Okay, so you have to state and everyone has to get prepared on this thing. All right, so, you'll be back at 1:30. Case is set for trial. It's on the trial docket.
thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Let's see. Yes. Fred Toops.
You're on that side.
Okay, this is call number 23 CCCR 2136. Case of style of state of Texas versus Fred Toops. Mr. Toops, is that your full name? Fred Allen Toops II. How are you doing, Mr. Toops?
Good, and you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Toops, you're represented by your attorney, Rob Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what's your announcement in Mr.
Ready.
Toops' case? State?
Ready.
Okay. Mr. Toops, we'll see you back at 1:30. All right. All right. And let's see.
The Cal planning is down in felony court. She said, that may be next door.
Who?
Sitting here.
Callahan?
Yeah, plan. Yeah, she's down.
She's in,
We're trying to get a plea down. She's been there.
you say Clanner?
If you might be going to jail.
Okay.
Not probably feared, what's going to.
Oh, yes, Mr. Wilkerson.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you have someone that's on the jail run. Miss Mosby,
Hold on, I think he got.
Adrian Williams. That person is in custody.
Yes, Your Honor. He has several pending felonies as well. They were moved from the announcement docket to the trial docket this morning, so they're being set for trial. And so we would just ask, these allegations stem from the same incident and that he's got the felony charges on, so we just ask that it run with his felony.
Do you have a court date on those felonies?
I do not. Langston Adams is his attorney.
Oh.
Lacey said they reset it, but I don't know that she's assigned it a date yet.
What document is it on, Judge?
It's on the announcement docket, page 6, Adrian E. Williams.
Okay, thank you. Be excused.
Yes, you may be excused, Ms. Wilson. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Miss Mosby.
Yes, sir. Judge yet, the last time, Maverick came in, I don't know what the status is,
Okay, okay, thanks. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number 2460CR 1992. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Dylan M. Tompkins. Mr. Tompkins, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tompkins, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tompkins, you may put your hand down. Mr. Tompkins, I have before me 2 documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Or are these your initials on the line state you'd like to waive your right to attorney and represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
I also have another document that is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea or Proceeding the Trial. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Tompkins, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Tompkins, I read your answers. Mr. Tompkins, you'll have an opportunity to talk to one of the prosecutors. Just have a seat while Mr. What you want to, yeah, just have a seat right there. They'll let you know. All right. Mr. Tompkins, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Tompkins, you may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Tompkins, you have a right to have a record made or have a court reporter to type down everything that's being said. You also have a right to waive or give up your right to have a court reporter to type down everything that's being said. Do you waive or give up your right to have a record? We're talking about a court reporter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Tompkins, I also have before me two documents on paper. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Or are these your initials on the line that state you like to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
I also have another document that is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea or Proceeding to Trial. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Tompkins, I also have another document on my computer that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Dylan M. Tompkins, on or about June 17th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of harassment. Mr. Tompkins, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no contest.
Now, you pleaded no contest freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? That's what no contest means.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
enemies are too great. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Tompkins, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments on my tablet. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, there are two sets of initials. One set of initials, DT, is on the line next to a box that's checked no contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On the next set of initials are on a line next to a statement that states, I do not wish to have discovery. I waive my right to discovery in this case. And did you place your initials in the second location?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, that you're trying to see your signature?
No, I'm just trying to see what it's saying.
Oh,
The two check.
oh, okay. That's what I was getting ready to explain next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked.
Yes.
The first box check states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Tompkins, before you sign all of the documents that I just showed you on paper and on the tablet, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Tompkins, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State offer States Exhibit 1.
Okay, now, Mr. Tompkins, the state is offering States Exhibit number 1. States Exhibit number 1 is the first document that I showed you, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. This is the same document that have your initials in these two locations that I mentioned to you earlier.
Yes.
And it has your signature on page 3. Is it all right for the state to use this document as evidence in your case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Now, Mr. Tompkins, is there any evidence that you are currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir, but I got a question. According to the Sixth Amendment, I have a right to face my accuser. And I do not see Shelby Harper, my accuser, here.
Okay, your case is not set for trial.
Okay.
If your case was set for trial, but you're entering a plea to the case, and so
Yes, sir.
that's why.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand?
Yeah, so I can't face my accuser.
Well, you can
Till
face
trial.
you can face your accuser if you wanted to have a trial.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Okay?
Yeah, I just don't see how the state of Texas can be my accuser when Shelby Harper is.
No, all cases all cases, criminal cases is not the person against you, it's the state of Texas versus you, because you have the prosecutor's office, which in this case is the district attorney's office, and they are the ones who file cases.
Yeah,
Okay, so the crime that you committed is against the state of Texas. It's the state's law, not the individual person's law. You understand that? So it's always the state of Texas versus someone. If it's in federal court, it's the United States versus a defendant.
yeah, but is the state of Texas ain't a living, breathing soul?
Well, it's not a living,
How can
but
it
it's an entity. It's a government. It's the government. That's how it's accused. And so the person that is the victim, we call in the complaining witness. They the victim. Okay, but the laws is by the state or by the federal or by the cities or a county. So this is the state of Texas versus you. That's why it's always the state of Texas versus the person.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Sixth Amendment says I have a right to face my.
So my question to you is: do you want to go forward with this plea, or do you want to try?
I just don't want my rights to be violated, not to.
Well, your rights are not violated. The question, that's your choice as to whether or not you're waiving your right to have a jury trial. You have a right to have a jury trial. You also have a right to waive or give up your right to have a jury trial. That's your choice.
Can we put the state of Texas on the stand?
Okay, let me do this here. Does that sound logical to you?
But I thought I could face.
No. I'm saying, is the complaining witness, but the state of Texas, they're the prosecutors. They prosecute on behalf of the individual. So my question to you is, do you want to go forward with your plea bargain, or do you want a trial? That's your choice. Or you want some time to think about? I mean, that's your choice. We're not, pleas have to be freely, voluntarily, intelligently entered into. Okay. And so
It's just I feel like I can't overcome the county
well,
for what
my question,
multiple times.
but my question to you is, do you want a trial, jury trial, bench trial? Do you want to enter a plea? Either you enter the plea of guilty or no contest, or you enter a plea of no contest. So, so the question, so basically, it's your choice.
I mean, if I decide to just say heck with this and take the trial, what's going to happen?
I don't know. I don't know the future in terms of what's gonna happen.
No, I'm
at
talking
the
about
trial.
because I messed up and came on the wrong day.
Okay,
I'm
well,
going to jail.
well, I mean, well, your bond was forfeited last week, and there obviously is when a person's bond is forfeited, a warrant is issued for their arrest.
Oh, so now I ain't going to get my bond money back, you're saying?
Well, I don't know did you have a bondsman?
No, I paid the cash.
Oh, I don't know. That's all depends. I mean, put it like this here. It all depends on, whether the bond has been forfeited, but I can't tell you what are the defenses and all of that stuff. So, you may or may not get it back, but I can't tell you whether or not you can get it back right now.
But once the case is rectified,
once the case is rectified, but then there's a bond forfeiture has been filed, and so that's a civil matter, and so you would have to appear in court for that for the determination to be made whether or not you can get the full amount, part of the bond, or none of the bond. So, but we're not here on that matter.
Yeah. I got a question. How many bonds did the county take out on this without?
I
my
don't,
consent?
I can't go into bonds of that state. Only thing we hear right now on is the case, if you want to go forward, we go forward. If you don't want to go forward, we don't go forward. Okay?
Is there any way we can put in writing that since this is rectified, I can get my bond back?
Listen, you didn't hear a word I said. I said at this point, we can't make that determination. I said that earlier. And I said, you may get it back, you may get a portion of it back, or you may not get that, but that's a civil matter.
Yes, sir.
So we're not here on that civil matter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I need to know now is whether or not you do not want to go forward with your plea, whether or not you want to go forward with your plea, and we'll take it from there.
Yeah, I'll just take the plea, man. The Masons are too strong. They'll stand at the judgment alone soon enough.
Okay. So now is your plea freely and voluntarily made?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. The question that I previously asked before you went into all of this here was there any information that you're currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
Oh, no, sir. I'm perfectly fine.
Okay. Now, the court will accept your plea of no contest. The court will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. The court will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily made. The court will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
Your Honor, we ask the court for 90 days county jail, probated for a period of 18 months of community supervision, $500 fine, repayment of the court cost, 60 hours of community service, and no contact with the complaining witness, Shelby Harper.
No contact. How many hours of community service?
60.
What's the court cost in this case? Do we have a affidavit? Just in case. Let's see, he said it's 18 months. I think that's 10 days. Okay, Mr. Tompkins, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 18 months. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month. You're gonna ask to pay $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $126 a month. Will you be able to pay the $126 each month?
Yes, sir.
You'll also be required to perform 60 hours of community service. You cannot have any contact with the victim, in this case, Shelby Harper, and you will be required to adhere to the standard terms and conditions of your probation. Now, Mr. Tompkins, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Tompkins, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Harper, you're gonna, excuse me, Mr. Tompkins, you're gonna stand next to the bailiff. Once you finish following the bailiff's directions, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Started it with it.
You don't want to update it, trial docket.
Okay. The court is in session at cause number 24 CCCR 2560, case of Styles, State of Texas versus Jamelin Brooke Quibido. Jamelin Quibido was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Jamelin Quibido at the courthouse door. Ms. Quibido did appear. Ms. Quibido was here in session. Ms. Quibido is not here now. The time now is 12:27 p.m. on today's date of October 20, 2025. Ms. Bailiff, could you please call the name of Jamelin Quibido at the courthouse door? Okay, Jamelin Quibido's name was just called again at the courthouse door. She did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Quibido an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
That moves from Hopper.
That motion will be granted. Jamelin Quibido's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for her arrest in cause number 24 CCCR 2560. And the court will be in recess till 1:30 for the trial docket. Okay. This one will